Hi, I'm Sean from Maneful, and today we're making the Mint Julep. May is julep month, and so in honor of the Kentucky Derby, we're going to be doing a mint julep here at home. We are going to be using simple syrup. Here I've actually infused this simple syrup with a little bit of mint, bourbon, and ice. So it's a pretty simple cocktail to make. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to take 1 ounce of simple syrup, and we're going to put it in our glass here, and we're going to be muddling this with a few mint leaves. So I'm just going to grab a few mint leaves here, drop them in, and then we're just going to take this and we're just going to muddle it a little bit to break up a little bit of the mint. So now we've just got simple syrup and mint here in the glass. The next part is the fun part, which is we're going to be filling this glass with crushed ice. So a mint julep uses crushed ice rather than cubed ice. We do not have crushed ice here. We don't have a refrigerator that makes it, so we have to make our own. And so we're going to be using a Lewis bag, which is this canvas bag here, and a wooden mallet. So you just put your ice inside this canvas bag, and then you get to work. Let's take a look. All right, probably a little bit more. All right, now that is good. So we've got some crushed ice here. What we're going to be doing is taking the crushed ice and putting it here into our julep glass.
Are you filling it?
Yes, we're filling it up to the top. And so it's actually going to be pouring over just a little bit here. So we're going to be taking the glass filled with the crushed ice. We've got the simple syrup and the mint in here. And we're going to be adding 2 to 3 ounces of bourbon to this. So here I'm using one of my favorite bourbons for cocktail making, the Buffalo Trace. It is a pretty good price point for making cocktails, and it's good on its own if you're a bourbon lover. So I'm just doing 2 ounces right now. Like I said, you can do 2 to 3. We're going to take a stirring spoon, and we're just going to stir this around in the glass a little bit. And if you'll see, the glass is getting a little bit frosty here, which means that you're doing it right. All right, after we stirred everything in the glass, we're actually going to top it with a little bit more crushed ice because some of that crushed ice is melted when we added the bourbon. And so we want to get a nice little top here. Oh yeah, just overflowing with crushed ice. All right. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to garnish it with some mint. So we'll just place that there. And then, hey buddy. You garnish it with some mint, and then you take your straw, and you serve, and you enjoy. Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful, and today, my dog's playing with his toys.